How to limit iPhone charging to 80%. So being able to limit your charging is very key to prolong and keep the battery healthy over a longer period of time. It's important to know that you can only do this from iPhone 15 and up. So if you don't have the newest phone, or if you have an older phone, this might not work for you. So to limit the charging, you want to go to your settings. And you just want to go to where it says battery. It should be in the top section of some of the options here. And you just want to go to charging. Really simple. And from here, as you see, I have mine already set to 95% to, in theory, prolong the battery. But we can just lower this all the way down to 80. And it's going to stop charging once your phone gets to 80%. This, in turn, will prolong the battery life and the battery health for your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you limit your iPhone charging to 80%.